So the ingredients are carrots. Here I have about 10 carrots which I've roughly chopped up. Potatoes. Here I have 2 potatoes which I've also chopped up really rough. This is optional, but I like to add it for that little extra zesty flavor. About 2 medium-sized onions which I've chopped up. 4 cloves of garlic which I've pressed. Vegetable stock, about 1.6 liters. Heavy cream, 200 milliliters. For the seasoning, salt, pepper, and I also like to add paprika powder because I love paprika powder. Let's do this. To start off, I'm going to take a large pot and add some olive oil in there. You can also add butter, it's more of a preference. Put it on the fire and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, add in the onion and let it fry for a minute or 2. Then add in your carrots. Give it a good stir. At this point you can season it with some paprika powder and give it a good stir. You can also add the potatoes if you want. We're not going to fry everything until it's done. We're just going to fry it a little bit so it releases the flavor of the vegetable. And finally, we're going to add the garlic. I'm adding garlic at the end because I don't want my soup to taste like burned garlic. Let it fry for about 30 seconds or so. Now, it's time to add the stock. Put a lid on it and let it come to a boil. So once it starts boiling, lower the fire to medium-low and let it cook until the vegetables are completely done. So after about 20 minutes, take a knife, check your vegetables. If the knife goes through easy, that means it's done. Turn off the fire and let's start blending. I'm going to take a stick mixer and blend everything until it's smooth. There we go. Now it's time to add the cream. Give it a final mix. Taste. And finally season it with salt and pepper to taste. Final mix. And it's ready to be served. And there you go.